What's growing on, gardeners? On today's 2-minute garden tip, I'm going to show you how to make a simple dish soap spray that kills most insects instantly. All you have to do is take a spray bottle full of warm water and then pour in a little bit of dishwashing liquid. It doesn't take much, just a quick pour, and then just put on the lid and shake it up really good until it gets nice and sudsy. We have ourselves a major infestation, so let's take care of that. And you can already see these bugs are not too happy. And by the way, these are not beneficial assassin bugs. These are very harmful leaf-footed bug nymphs. And you'll see the dish soap is immediately dissolving their bodies. They basically turn into mush. This guy is none too happy right here. The key is to get things really sudsy. You'll see all the soap suds all over that bug is what's really causing the problem. And it is actively gumming up the works and dying. In fact, it might be dead. And look what we have right here. Even one of the adults, dead as a doornail. That soap dried it out almost instantly. It's also helpful for little pest infestations like what you see right here on my citrus trees. I have some kind of spider mite infestation or something like that. So we'll clear them out with ease. It's great for target spraying. And these awful cucumber beetles. That guy right there is dead as a doornail, and he is not too happy at all. I don't think he's long for this world. Confirmed. That guy right there is a goner. What's great about this method is I can harvest the fruits immediately. I mean, I don't have to wait 24 hours for the chemicals to wear off or anything like that. I mean, it's just soap, so it's immediately edible after spraying. Keep in mind, this is a spray we want to use for spot treating insects. We don't want to mix gallons of this and spray it all over our plants. We don't want lots of soap dripping down and absorbing into the soil. If you want to make a broadcast spray, I recommend you use something like natural pyrethrin, which is a contact killer for insects. Also, as with any spray, don't spray it during the heat of the day when the sun is out because that can react with the spray and burn the plant leaves. Always wait until the sun is going down at around sunset to spray your plants. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.